Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Sinting and Medea. We're teaching us something new about Fiwi language. Do you know that the Jamaican word galang is said to be a contraction between the English words go along, galang. In English, go along means a few things. 1, to accompany someone. 2, to proceed or move along. 3, to cooperate or agree with. But Fiwi, galang, is more closely related to only one of these meanings. If you want to know which of these is more closely related in meaning to the Jamaican word galang, not gonna wait, stick around. If you guess number 2, you guess correct. Galang means to go ahead or to proceed. Example, Mommy, me can take one of the biscuit? Galang. Also, galang can be used to mean go ahead, even if there's some reservation about what's being asked. You may not necessarily agree wholeheartedly, but the person might be relentless and you just say, go ahead, go ahead. Example, Mommy, please, I can't go to the mall with my friend them. Please, mommy, please, no man. Galang. Wait. Before I move on, do me one little favor. It will help my channel. Subscribe, like the video, and click the notification bell so you can know when we push out more videos. Now, galang also shows up in a Jamaican greeting. Example, what a galang? That actually means what's happening or what's going on. Now, a third way we use galang is when there's some kind of aggressive or uncalled for behavior. Example, me just simple ask you, where do? You back after me. Me give you galang so. Okay, there you have it. Different ways that we use the word galang in Jamaica. Make sure you galang. Click the notification bell there if you want to learn enough more about Fiwi Jamaican language, alright? Until next time, big up yourself, bless up yourself, little more. When we do so, we say galang gal. Your turn, follow me now. You a real tapa, no careless slapper, no girl can't step in your show, galang gal.